ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Kiang Nangbah Government College haka arpunyo tarik urisau arajar arpulai kala pelong ya ke Jinghikai Halor ka hok Longbriew Manbriew haka balasaki lang dau MLA jongga Jowai constituency uba wailat miki shela ka Govt jongga Meghalaya Human Rights Commission ka kong B Giri u job miki shela balong muktiar bapau harilum jantia u Professor A.K. Singh nakatanat law jongga school ba nehu ki samla pule bat kiwei.
Like I said, I would like to urge upon again that such kind of awareness program should be organized from time to time. Because there is a big confusion which is going on among the students or the people of the state. Just recently, we have witnessed one big debate about playing one political song in the educational institute, where most of the students or the people have said that it is the violation of the freedom of expression of the student. But at the same time, we should keep in mind that if we allow today, it's not about only of this song, but what about tomorrow? If some student come up with a song with a harsh words, or maybe a satanic song, or maybe a song which means like affect the sentiment of other section of the people. So we have to think about all this. So that's why awareness is very important. Within few days, the government of Meghalaya will be inaugurating their National Law College in Mount Yangon, which again, it will help us to make sure that the human right, the basic human right is enforced in our state.